Nkeera ku makya ssaawa 11 ne ntandika okuma amasigiri ne nteekako emmere y'ekyenkya.
As humans, we do not realize how much our daily routine contributes to the climate disaster that we are facing today. From the food we waste,
Fumba omuceere, amatooke ag'eminwe ne muwogo. Obudde obusinga eggwaawo. Etera okuggwaawo era bw'eba esigaddewo era ngiyiwa kuba sisobola gizza mu mpya.
the charcoal we burn to prepare it, and the plastic we dispose of.
Nfumbisa manda. Sirina nku.
These small actions become one with a bigger picture that is now called the climate crisis. Heat waves from deforestation, polluted water by organic waste, barren land from plastic and polythene are all problems that start from an individual act of irresponsibility. But sadly, we don't even know it starts with us. When we are molding our children, we often teach them the impact of their behavior on everything but climate change. We say, do not waste food because someone else is starving. But never do we tell them what happens to the environment if the food is wasted. We teach them to dispose of rubbish, to keep their homes clean, but do not tell them what happens if they poorly dispose of plastic and polythene. We tell them to plant trees for shade and rain, but never the bigger picture of how important they are to the environment. It is imperative that we have a mindset change if the problem is to be solved.
One of our main core projects is the Youth Advocacy and Communications Project, which over time since 2016 has supported different youth, especially within the community, and different people from walks of life. So the main focus of this project is to highlight stories of change, of which we use radio as a platform to motivate and inspire youth within the community.
Everyone has a role to play if we are to fight the climate crisis. In Gulu, programs like the Youth Advocacy Project have been tailored to reshape the mindsets from the very grassroots by targeting the youth as the major drivers of change.
Today we are at Negri College meeting the students of the Environmental Club. We are doing a tree planting session with them. It's important to teach the other students because we expect that these are young people like us and they will be able to extend this knowledge to the wider society, the communities where they come from, because school is a converging point.
This ensures that everyone is informed and empowered in the fight for climate change conservation. From the very young ones in schools to the youth and the elderly in society, each of these has to know that the fight starts with them.
Our project is called Ulu Peace Garden Project. Our main focus is to conserve indigenous plants which are on the verge of extinction due to war. We are now a team of 6 people, 4 young boys and 2 girls. Plants help our climate. They produce lots of oxygen which we breathe in, thereby they help to clean the environment and make it conducive for other activities like agriculture and other business activities.
By tackling underlying climate issues from the grassroots, we can hope to have a sustainable change in the near future. Other programs like the Environmental Sustainability Project often stay on paper without community involvement, and thus they usually die at the initiation. Gulu, however, has had a different approach by involving the community. The idea is thus not foreign, but a local solution that is needed and easily adaptable. When we realize that as individuals, we are part of the global village, we can then understand that whatever we do aggregates the problem. And if we then take on solutions individually and collectively, we can in the same way solve the climate change crisis. It starts with you.